Come here, Roxy. Come on. This way. Let's go. Let's go, Roxy. This way. Come on. Let's go. This way. Good girl. Good girl. That's a good dog. Watch out. Watch out. Good girl. Go slow. Go slow. There you go. Good girl. Good girl. This way. Come on. Are you a good dog? Are you a good dog? Do you see dead people? Do you? Yes, Mama's girl. She doesn't like sprinklers, and she never really has. I don't know if she's gonna fall in the pool. Watch out! Got her little leg stuck. Okay, that is amazing.